Major indices see negative 2 days in a row. Greetings, my name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, August 19th, 2015, my racquetball league night. And we have the spiders down 0.8%, the Dow down 0.9%, Nasdaq down 0.6%, small caps down more than 1%, banks off 0.7%, silver up 2.46% after yesterday's drastic drop, and gold bouncing up 1.34%. US dollar off by 0.56%, and we are looking at the spider, which is the ETF on the S&P 500. We've been looking at these lines. I have since, with today's drop, was able to re-navigate this upper red line, brought it to the swing high of this peak, because what was looking to be a breakout was a fake out, and it's since dropped. So today we get a drop, a pop, a drop, and another pop, closing for a loss today below the 20-day moving average and below the red trend line coming higher. Be very interesting to see if we will challenge this line or this line again. If we rally back up challenging one of those two lines, getting above these moving averages, if that happens, I will have to readdress this lower trend line, and it will widen this triangle. However, at this moment, with today's movement and volatility and the big spike with volume came in very strong at the beginning of the day. A lot of activity today in the markets. But the bottom line is we're sub the 20-day moving average. We're sub this minor trend line coming higher. Still within the big blue ones at this moment. Let's go to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ still above a trend line. Support, still there, support. Dropped down below it at one point, came back up. So we have a decent chance of bullish activity happening. Again, big volume. The banks here, remember how I was saying a few days ago, I said, well, look for this to drift higher until we get to this cross point, and then look for it to drop. If you guys watch my video on a daily basis, one, like it and share it. But if you do that, you'll remember me saying that. I said on the financials, look for it to come up, get to this cross, and then look for it to drop. And I even used the word crash and burn from there. And chances are we could certainly do that. We could start to really drop here. Tomorrow will be very telling to me. If it starts off bearish with some volume, if it looks significant, I am going to lighten up on longs, and I am certainly going to add short positions because it could get very bearish and quickly. So if trading is a hobby for you, go to Free Online Trading Education, go to the middle and get some freebie stuff. If it's a hobby, if you got to take it more seriously and you are looking to make this more as a life change, then go to groktrade.com. So if you like it, and if you love it, share it. Make sure you subscribe. Take care all.